Hi, and welcome back to Business Entrepreneurship 101. Earlier, you watched a video by Ray Dalio on how the economy works. In this course, we will explore the exciting world of entrepreneurship and its importance in the economy. Get ready to learn valuable skills and knowledge that will empower you to create successful businesses. So, to get started, there are several types of businesses, including sole proprietorships, partnerships, and corporations. Each has its unique benefits and challenges. Throughout this course, we'll dive into differences and help you determine which structure best suits your business idea. So, what is involved in the startup process? Starting a business involves several stages, from generating an idea, conducting research and analysis, creating a business plan, securing funding, and finally launching your venture. As we progress through this course, we'll guide you through each of these essential stages in your business model. So, to succeed in business, it is crucial to identify opportunities and assess potential risks. We'll teach you how to conduct market research, pinpoint customer needs, evaluate competition, and perform a SWOT analysis. Additionally, we'll discuss risk assessment and management strategies to ensure your business is prepared for any challenges that may arise. And now it's time to put your newfound knowledge into practice. You will see two handouts which you will use to complete your homework assignment. You will brainstorm various business idea and identify risks and opportunities until you find the idea that best suits you. By applying the skills you've learned in this course, you will be well on your journey to becoming a successful entrepreneur. Good luck on the journey, and I look forward to your homework assignments.